Saturday.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Hi, don't you look colorful today?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Today we had a graduation party
Yeah.
for Maya and Mason. So I'm doing just a quick, simple dinner.
Okay, what are you making?
Cause y'all know I love chicken casserole.
You do, yeah.
But this will be in the microwave.
Okay, and we made some versions of chicken casserole before, but this one's a little bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, this will probably help my safety.
Okay.
And all that.
So what are your ingredients? What you got?
So we got some of these at Walmart. We went to Walmart.
We did. Okay, what is that? We got just a can of, turn it around for me.
Piece of diced carrots.
Yes, and you can also use what?
Frozen.
That's right. Careful the lid, maybe. What is that?
Alfredo sauce.
Okay, small jar of that. What else you got?
And I think y'all seen this before in the video. It's ready pasta.
Ready pasta. How long does it take to cook that?
It's just 60 seconds.
That's right. And what else?
Rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie chicken. And we get that at Walmart. And it's delicious. What is that?
Cheese.
Yeah, so hold the cheese up. And you just use any kind of Italian cheese, right?
And this one we had.
Yeah. Okay.
And you can see Matt's over here.
Yeah, he just ate, so he's got belly full.
He probably wants to go out now.
Okay. What's the first step you got to do?
I gotta use my scissors to cut that a little bit.
Okay.
But Matt's is watching me.
Of course he is.
Hey, buddy. I know I'm cooking.
What's she doing?
You probably know I'm cooking pasta.
What's she doing, bud? We need to set our clock on the oven.
Yeah.
That's absolutely wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, you got the rest of your ingredients. What are we going to have with it?
Caesar salad.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And when we got the squeeze guacamole.
Oh, while that's heating up, you want to show everybody? Because we've been telling everyone that we've been looking for it. It's in the sour cream drawer.
What do you mean? The cheese drawer?
Yeah.
And it's squeezed and it's easy.
Squeeze guacamole. Yay!
So we were over there before we got the sour cream. We decided to head and grab it.
Yeah, because we have tacos every week, right?
We're the Thomas family.
We are.
And somebody we were careful eating guacamole.
Yeah, I know. Oh, your pasta's almost up.
So I got my pasta out.
I'm pouring a bowl. Okay. And I believe,
It's hot.
show everybody the back.
It's better for my finger.
So it says one serving.
Yeah.
These are really good. Sadie likes these and they're tasty.
And actually they had one that are favorite pasta salad.
That's true.
I was like, wait a minute, that's the one that I use?
Okay, so what's going on top of that? Just everything else?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me start with chicken though. Here's the thing about chicken. So you could have, if you have someone by a teenager or adult living by themselves or in one college, they can fix this.
This is a great meal. You're right. Yeah, for someone who just needs something for one person. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Just,
So you're putting some chicken in there?
yeah. And it's kind of cold.
Is it?
Yeah.
So sprinkle your chicken in.
Yeah.
I love that you're making this yourself because you're making your bowl.
Yeah, this will be mine first.
Okay.
And after I did everything, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Sounds good. Okay, is that plenty of chicken?
Let me put a few more.
Okay.
Here's some for Daddy.
Excellent.
And yours. So peas and diced carrots. You know I love carrots.
I know. Okay. Just some of those, not all of them. Okay.
Which I used to, spoon do.
And then your Alfredo sauce.
I don't know the ways. Oh yeah.
You're gonna pour some of that.
And Mom's probably doing. Oh,
So you got your peas, carrots, chicken, pasta, Alfredo sauce.
and I know you want sour cream in yours.
Yeah, I don't want Alfredo sauce, so I'm probably gonna make mine sour cream and cheese. And then here's the cheese bag. No.
So I'm putting cheese.
Looks good.
My sister's staring at me. Got my favorite fork.
So you're gonna stir it up, and how long are you gonna cook it for? Okay, 3 minutes in the microwave, you said?
Yeah, and I do have to turn my phone ding. So.
That's probably your daddy.
Yeah, what am I gonna do with him? And y'all know next month will be Father's Day.
It will.
Cook it out.
Take a look. Oh, that looks good.
Oh yeah, it's cheesy. I'm stirring it.
Okay. That looks delicious, Sadie.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, you gonna eat it just like that, or are you gonna put something on it? It's cheesy.
Parmesan.
Parmesan? Okay. Just a little?
I don't like a lot.
Yeah. That's plenty. Okay.
For me, it is.
Okay, taste test.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, get you some pasta in there.
Mmm. Oh. It's good.
Is it good? All right, so this is super easy.
And quick.
Yeah, so it's Memorial Day weekend. When are you going to tell everybody?
So, hope you have a Memorial Day holiday. And hope you grow out.
Yeah.
It'll be a pretty day.
And remember those that lost their lives. Protect our country.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're celebrating, right? It's not just a celebration, but it's good family time, too.
Yeah, and then June will be Father's Day.
That's right.
Which I love my daddy.
No, you do.
So, in June, hope you wish all the dads out there. So, I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day summer.